not need to wait for others to serve before we do, but we act wholeheartedly because of our love to Jesus Christ. Dahil yung ating pong pagmamahal, nakasentro po sa ating Panginoon. And when we do that, yung ating pong horizontal love sa ating pong mga kapatiran will be spontaneous or magiging natural lang po sa atin. Yung pong panglima, we serve others with humility like Jesus Christ. And yung pong last is put others ahead of our agenda. Hindi yung sarili lamang po natin yung iniisip natin, at dapat po is ando na po yung ating pong concern to everyone that we are working with sa ating pong lugar na pinaglilingkuran. At sa ating pong conclusion for today, Jesus Christ exemplifies humility and love through foot washing, teaching us to serve others selflessly. And as His followers, we are called to embody this love and service in our daily life, reflecting Christ's example in all that we do. Yun po yung sasabi natin doon, na makita po sa atin yung pong selflessly na paglilingkod sa ating Panginoon sa lahat po ng bagay na ating pong ginagawa sa ating mga buhay.